Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we will talk about Honor Magic V3. This is a nice phone and let's talk about this phone. First of all, this phone body weight is 226 gram when it unfold, and this phone display size is 7.92 inch, foldable, LTPO AMOLED, 1B color, 120 Hz refresh rate, and aspect ratio 78:9, 1B colors, 120 Hz refresh rate. And this phone display resolution is good. This phone is very nice looking also. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm octa-core, and this phone memory is 256 GB, 12 GB RAM. That's great. And 51500 to 12 GB and 16 GB RAM. That's great. OS Android 14 latest OS, and Magic OS 8.0.1. This is a nice combination, and this phone rear camera is 50 megapixel with the 1.6 aperture. This is perfect for nice photography, and this is perfect for night mode. So this aperture is adjustable and perfect. This phone wide angle is 40 megapixel, 2.2 aperture, and this phone front camera is 20 megapixel. Rear camera 4K video with 30 and 60 fps. 30 and 60 fps, that's very good, and HD with 30, 60 and 120 fps. And front camera is also 4K with 30 fps and HD with 30 fps. Battery 5150 mAh battery, 66-watt charging, and 50-watt wireless, 5-watt reverse wired. So this is the function of battery. And connectivity 5G, eSIM, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, MFC, and a great speaker, fingerprint. So overall, this phone is very nice looking, and this phone has folding and unfolding option. So if you want to buy this phone, so you can go with this, and this phone is really nice. Thank you.